When danger comes near, you stand by my side. Onye Nche M.
Comfort. Many times I walk through shadows, many times I face the storm, but your hand was always holding me, keeping me safe and warm.
When fear tried to surround me, your peace filled my heart. When enemies rose against me, you fought for me from the start.
No arrow flying by daylight, no terror in the night
can overcome your mighty power, for you are my refuge and light.
I will not be afraid,
I will not be shaken.
the God who watches over me
Never sleeps, never fails. Onye Nche, Onye Nche, happen.
In the valley, in the mountain, your presence surrounds me.
Onye Nche, forever I am safe in you.
Strength. You open doors before me and close the traps behind. You guided every step I took with wisdom strong and kind.
When my strength began to fail, you became my song. When my hope was growing weak, you carried me along.
From the rising of the morning
to the setting of the sun,
I will testify forever
of all that you have done. Onye Nche, Onye Nche, happen.
in the valley, in the mountain, your presence surrounds me.
Onye Nche, forever I am safe in you. Onye Nche, Onye Nche, Onye Nche,
Chukwu nọnyere,
Onye Nche, anaghị m akọgbu.
I am not afraid.
Onye Nche, mmeri bụ nke m. Onye Nche, mmeri bụ nke m. Onye Nche.
Who can stand against me?
When the Lord stands with me,
Who can harm me?
when His angels surround me,
You are my defender,
you are my strong tower,
you are my hiding place.
you are my deliverer.
Though
Oh,
1,000 fall around me, your hand will keep me secure.
for the one who protects me is faithful forevermore. When I thought I was alone, you were there.
When I cried in secret,
You heard me.
when danger came close,
You covered me. Every battle I survived, every testimony I carry.
it's proof that my protector never failed me.
Onye Nche, Igbo bambaba. Onye Nche, Igbo ikendu.
Through every season,
To every battle, your love protects me. Onye Nche, forever I will trust in you. Onye Nche,
my protector,
and my king,
my protector,
and my king,
my protector,
and my king,
my protector and my king.
When the sun rises,
You are with me,
when the night falls,
you are with me.
in every breath, in every step, in every season of my life.
My song will remain,
Onye Nche,
the God who never sleeps.
the God who never fails.
A protector forever.